Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it is 8th of March, a very special day. This day is observed as International Women's Day. So first of all, I want to wish all the beautiful ladies around the world a very happy Women's Day. This day is celebrated to acknowledge, to appreciate the role of women in different spheres. Yes, we women are proving ourselves in all the different spheres, whether it is politics, education, or whatever. But still, there is something still existing. The things what was happening in the previous decades, there is gender inequality. Still, there is a domination of patriarchal society. But what we have to do, dear ladies, yes, I am talking to you, just don't care about that. That is the job of society. They will be judging you. They will be judging you for everything, for getting married early, for getting it late, for having kids, for delaying in that, for being a working mother, for being a stay-at-home mom. For everything they will be judging you. Just don't bother about that. Because I believe that you are special. You are beautiful in any way. Every shape is beautiful. Every shade is beautiful. Beauty is beyond that. It doesn't come with a particular validation or a tag. Beauty is beyond that. Don't believe in the limitations what society has brought for you. Believe in yourself. Break the stereotypes. Fight for your rights. Let me clear one thing. When we talk about feminism, when we talk about women's rights, we are not bringing men down. It's just about women power, or it is all about gender equality. We're not asking more than it. So, what you have to do, if you find women who are struggling, battling with their lives, experiencing domestic violence, experiencing domination, it is still happening. Yes, it exists. But if you have a voice to raise, you know it matters. Just raise your voice and help such ladies. So, I hope you are going to work on it. And one more message what I want to share. I just came across a beautiful quote, and actually I am in love with that quote from the particular day itself. That I want to quote here, that you can't pour from an empty cup. Just take care of yourself first. Yes, ladies, stop sacrificing for everything. Start normalizing taking care of yourself. Start normalizing saying no. Start normalizing keeping yourself first. Because when you take care of yourself, when you are fulfilled and full cup, what you're having that you can share. If you're full of pain and sorrow and depression, what you will be sharing with others. So keep yourself fullest with all the energy, enthusiasm, happiness, cheerfulness. That is what you can share to the coming world. And that is what the power you are having. You're having the power to be a mother. Being a mother, you can share that with the coming generation. You are a real power. In any way, but you will be beautiful. Whether you are a mother or a single person or whatever. It is not making you no way, it is making you less worthwhile. You will be special. You are special. Remember that. So on this very special day, what I want to, I'm expecting from the women around me, that just celebrate this womanhood. Celebrate the power within you. So on this very special day, I'm having some of the people, especially women, who inspire me a lot, who are proving themselves being an excellent leader, meeting their workplace targets, fulfilling their social obligations, fulfilling their duties as a mother, as a wife, and doing all the extra stuff without having a single sign on the face. There is lot many things around us to learn. And yes, I believe in learning, and I learn a lot from the people around me. And I am having some of the people, and it's an opportunity to hear from them. They'll be sharing their experiences and their views on women power or women empowerment and equality. So here are my friends to share their views on this special day.
Pretty women, how are you all? Happy Women's Day to all of you. We get to hear a lot that because you are a woman, you are not supposed to wear it. Because you are a woman, you are not supposed to do that. You are a woman, this is not your thing. This is not the job that you should be doing. So I would say bye-bye to all the stereotypes. Because you are a woman, you can do anything that exists, and also you are perfect in your own self. So be the beautiful woman that you are. You may be imperfect, you may be out of the box, you may not be doing what everybody else is doing, but that is the beauty that you hold. I love each and every woman around me, to the ones who are not around me. With this beautiful message, I would say you are perfect in your own way. Don't let people define your beauty. Don't let people define your limits, because you are limitless. Sky is the limit.
Happy Women's Day to all the lovely ladies. I was asked to share something on this special day of women. As in my life, I have gone through many struggles and sufferings, and I can share these phases of my life to motivate others. But instead of talking for the dark side, I would like to share the feeling which I feel that is the most precious to me, which is invaluable, and that is motherhood. I love being a mom of my most lovable and adorable son. It is the most extreme measure of being alive. Means being a mother is like a blessing by God. Actually, I feel that boon being a woman is that only that woman can give birth to a life. And I wish that bond between me and my son lasts a lifetime. Being a mother is like a blessing by God. And the best feeling I feel in this life is being a mother. And I will end this with few lines. God's gracious signature declaring his birth. He does me proud in every way. My darling son, he lights up my day. He's a child with a heart of gold. He's smart, he's handsome, he's strong, he's bold. He's my most precious gift. The sign of him gives my heart a lift. His dimple smile lights up the place. My all sorrows gone without a trace. Wherever he goes, he spreads happiness and joy. He's my wonderful boy. So if you ask that, do you believe magic? I will say yes, I believe in it, because I have the most marvelous kid. He's awesome, he's incredible, he's full of fun. I feel content like a battle won. Life is good, no grudges I hold, because I have my darling. He worth his weight in gold. So magic, yes, I believe in it, because I have the most marvelous kid.
Thank you, ma'am. Very beautifully you have expressed, you have spoke about motherhood. But just there's a question from, I think, all the ladies around the world. They want to know that how you manage. Because being a mother, yes, it's a blessing for women. But being a mother, how to meet the targets, to look for your professional growth, as well as your personal duties of being a mother. So how you manage both these things, because there are women who are just struggling and they experience the guilt that I am not a good mother. Sometimes it comes, some or the other way it comes that, and when this society, it brings up to face the comparisons and all, and it makes us feel that I am lagging behind somewhere. So just we want to hear from you how you manage. Please share some of the tips that how we can manage both the things in a balanced way. Up to you, ma'am.
See, day is of 24 hours for everyone. But when a girl enters into motherhood, it becomes sometimes very difficult to manage time because motherhood eats minute. So I would like to share some tips that may help you in managing your time for workplace and for to give time at your home to your children. First thing is that always you should learn of power of saying no, because saying no can be tough, but it is a skill that frees up your time you would not otherwise have access to. So always further, watching you enforce limits teaches your kids the value of setting boundaries. This is one thing. Second thing is that you have to establish that when you enter workplace, you should not think about home. But once you come out of your workplace, then also you have to decide that whether you are available or not after your working hours for your office work. And always set attainable daily goals, means to-do list. You should not make to-do list so long, so ambitious that you keep some unachievable task. Make sure that daily goals should be realistic enough to complete. Because remember, if you are more free time, you can always do more if you have time. And don't even try to multitask, that you can do everything together. So always attain one goal at a time. And no one can be perfect. So please don't run only for perfection, that I would be a perfect mom, perfect figure everywhere. Just be practical. And some yoga or meditation you should follow, because it will help you to focus. It will help you to focus, drive productivity. And stop owing other people's stuff, means everybody should share their own responsibility, which will help them to manage their responsibilities themselves. And believe me, you can get it all done in the time you have got and have sweet moments of freedom left over. Only thing which you need to do is implement a few smart rules upon your daily routine. And when you do find that you have created some leftover room for something new, be sure to do something wonderful and kind for yourself. And believe me that you deserve in your life.
तू किसी से कम नहीं है, आज बस ये जान ले, बहती धरा को मोड़ ले, अपनी ताकत को पहचान ले। अखंड तेरी शक्ति है, प्रचंड तेरी काया है, शिकस्त हो के चित पड़े जिसने भी आजमाया है। चीर के फलक तूने ध्वज ऊंचा लहराया है, चीर के फलक तूने ध्वज ऊंचा लहराया है, सर उठाकर देख ले वो वक्त फिर से आया है, सर उठा के देख ले वो वक्त फिर से आया है। Happy Women's Day to all the awesome women in this world. Thank you.
On this very special day, my message to all the lovely women is, being what you really are should be the most important thing of your life, and should also be your top priority, because if you will keep on changing yourself according to the needs of people, the choice will never end, but one day you will surely lose yourself. And if you will what you really are, then one day when you will touch the sky, people will follow your path to get your wings. With this, a very happy International Women's Day to all my dear lovely women.
So, it's a Women's Day special, and I would like to wish all the ladies, all the beautiful ladies, girls who will turn up into women someday, our old grannies, our old dadimas who have lived their lives being women in their respective part, a very happy Women's Day. We usually think like a woman is gifted, what I believe. God has gifted him with so many abilities. She can manage all things at once, and then she always holds that smile on her face. It never reflects that she has gone through so much of work the whole day 24/7 she's into some or the other task. Either it be say a mama, if we say us bringing up a child, and then a wife dealing with her husband and her kids and with her in-laws. So the clock goes on, and so does her duties, and it's a gift to her that she can manage everything. She can provide physical as well as mental support, and I am truly thankful to God for making me come in this world, in this century, where we have so much upliftment, so much women empowerment related things going on. So it is actually very good, and we need to just go beyond whatever there was in the past. Like, we have so many predefined notions and all. So the time has come where women are emerging as great leaders, and they are excelling in all the areas, all the flavors they are exploring. Now we have and I am really thankful and grateful to all the parents who are, irrespective of the gender, they are bringing up their kids, they are bringing up their girls out in the open, and no more ghungat. It's just remove the ghungat and just be whatever you are. So that is and society is also trying to accept this change. So I am really hoping that we get to see more and more development in this, and more involvement of women in all areas. I mean, the areas which are all lagging behind, still we get involvement in those areas as well. So with that note, I am proud to be a woman. I am proud to be born as a girl child and to be born in a family where all my dreams are totally appreciated and totally given value for, and nobody stops me for anything like, oh, tum ladki ho, you don't have to do this. No. So that's what I would say. I am truly blessed, and I wish all the girls in this country, in this world, are blessed with the same mindset, and they get the same opportunity, same platform and exposure and all, so that they can fulfill their careers, they can fulfill their dreams, and come up high with shining colors. Yeah, that's it from my end.
Apart from women, we have men also who believe in feminism, who are strong feminists and they support gender equality. So here is one of my friends who is going to share a few words on gender equality.
प्रणाम मित्रों, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस महिलाओं के प्रति होने वाले उत्पीड़न को रोकने के लिए एक कारगर कदम है। क्या ऐसा समाज की रचना नहीं हो सकती जिसमें महिलाओं की आज़ादी, महिलाओं को स्वतंत्रता प्रदान की जाए? यदि महिलाओं की आज़ादी और स्वतंत्रता का हनन हुआ तो लोकतंत्र किसी भी कीमत पर सफल नहीं हो सकता। स्त्री के लिए सिर्फ हम यही कर सकते हैं कि उसके शारीरिक और मानसिक क्षेत्र का उसकी सहमति के बिना अतिक्रमण न करें। यही स्त्री के प्रति हमारी सच्ची श्रद्धा होगी। धन्यवाद मित्रों।
And a heartfelt thanks to all the beautiful ladies for being a part of this video. Thank you so much, and actually I want to say thank you for being a part of my life. You all are really a big inspiration for me. Whenever I feel low, I just see watching you all, the way you work, the way you manage, it's really a big inspiration, and I know this world needs more of such women. So you are the true example of women empowerment. Thank you for being there always. Thanks a lot. So at the end, we are ending this video, and I want to say, just celebrate this womanhood and be proud to be a woman. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Celebrate womanhood, celebrate humanity, because empowering women is empowering humanity. Goodbye.